Hello everybody, welcome back. In today's video I'll show you how to fix speaker not working on your INFINIX Note 60 Pro. First, check the volume levels in the settings. Open the Settings app, scroll down to Sound and Vibration, and make sure media volume is not muted all the way down. This is where we want to check the volume levels. Next, clean the speaker grills. We have one at the top and one at the bottom. Clean them thoroughly to make sure there's no dust, debris, or lint inside. After cleaning, make sure audio is not rerouted. Go to Bluetooth and make sure it's turned off. After that, update your software to fix the speaker issue. Go to Settings, then INFINIX Note 60 Pro, and click Check for Updates. My software is up to date, but if yours isn't, I recommend updating to avoid any glitches. That's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.